Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Bitget wallet's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To delete your Bitget wallet's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Bitget wallet application. The home page of Bitget wallet application will appear on the screen. From the home page, tap on profile icon at the top left corner of the page. On the next page, tap on My Profile option. You will end up on the Profile section of your Bitget wallet's account. Click on Close Account option. Click on Close Account once again. Tap on the box to agree to the terms and conditions of Bitget wallet's account and click on Next. Enter a password associated with your Bitget wallet's account for confirmation of your deletion of account and tap on Submit. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. Once you're done, it will delete your account in no time. This is how you can delete your Bitget wallet's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.